Hey guys, Coach Kelly here, official trainer of I Love Lacrosse TV. Today we're going to continue to identify certain characteristics that can lead to mechanical inefficiencies in your passing and shooting technique. So the passing and shooting characteristic that we'll speak about today is called wrapping around. So normally when we shoot a lacrosse ball or pass it, one really quick thing that helps, coach, is telling your players that the butt end should always be facing the target. So if I'm going to be going this way, I want the butt end to be facing the target. Real simple. If I'm shooting this way at the camera, I want my butt end to be facing the target. Now what we don't want, and which is what we see in wrapping around, is we don't want to pull the head of the stick behind our head like that. See how I'm wrapping it around? Basically what happens, well, one, you can tell the butt end is now not facing the target, and it leads to a lot of different inefficiencies when we shoot. So inaccuracy, lack of power. Inaccuracy is the big one because the ball leaves our stick kind of at the wrong time. But if you see it from this angle as well, you see how I kind of pull it behind my head? I can almost guarantee that if you are doing this, if you are guilty of wrapping around, that there's no way that you're actually snapping your top hand. So some of the things that I'm going to give you to help fix this problem has a lot to do with learning how to use that top hand to snap. When we shoot a lacrosse ball, our top hand, our palm, should be facing the ceiling when we start, and it should be facing the turf when we finish. All right? So that is the characteristic of wrapping around. Some of the videos you can use on our channel that will help you fix this, like I mentioned. It'll give you a step-by-step drills that'll help you fix this problem. So how to fix lax stiff arm syndrome would be the first one. The second video would be instantly shoot a lacrosse ball faster with these 6 drills. And number 3 would be the number 1 way to shoot a lax ball more accurately. I hope you guys liked our latest video. If you want a free lacrosse training workout that will help you add 10 miles per hour to your shot, just click here or click the link in the description, enter in your email, and I will send it directly to your email. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, or leave a comment. Until next time, keep working.